Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best drone for cinematic shots available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, then be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Looking for the perfect beginner drone? Meet the HS-10. Small size, huge fun, ideal for kids and beginners. Reason 1. Auto hover and headless mode make flying effortless. Kids enjoy worry-free hovering while learning controls quickly. Reason 2. 3 batteries boost total flight time dramatically. Up to 21 minutes playtime keeps parties alive longer. Reason 3. Propeller guards protect kids and preserve the drone. Safe design reduces damage risk during indoor crashes or bumps. Performance, toss to launch, 3D flips, circle fly. So much excitement. Adjustable speeds grow with your pilot's skill level easily. Headless mode removes directional confusion for confident first flights. Altitude hold keeps steady heights while kids focus on fun. Low battery alerts prevent unexpected crashes, protecting your investment. Compact and portable. Toss it in backpacks for adventures. Great for parties, trips, school play, or backyard flying sessions. 3 batteries mean less waiting, more continuous playtime. Simple. My family screamed. Something crashed on the roof last night. Neighbors blamed me for rooftop mischief. I had no proof. I rushed outside, heart pounding, searching for answers, terrified. Then I remembered the tiny drone tucked in my bag. I pulled it out, foldable, sleek, camera ready. Connected phone, opened Hiturbo FPV app, breath held. Lifted off with one key as silence shattered into clarity. 1080p camera aimed down showed the whole rooftop mess. Neighbors prank revealed, not me. Drone saved my reputation. 2 batteries kept it flying. 24 minutes pure freedom. Voice control grabbed selfies, gestures captured candid skating moments. Altitude hold, headless mode, and 3D flips made flying simple. Beginners rejoice, d'un sequence. No pairing fuss, easy calibration, instant fun. It inspected the roof, filmed skate tricks, and wowed friends. Get the Hiturbo Drone. Fly. Moi. Hi. Film. Sunset picnic slides into laughter as drone lifts gently. I wanted every moment, every smile, every shared sunset captured. Meet DJI Neo. Pocketable 135G drone that follows you. Palm takeoff launches memories with one gentle push. Fly controller free, voice motion controller, app or RC smart. Subject tracking keeps grandparents, kids, and pets centered. 8 quick shots modes transform simple moments into cinematic stories. 4K ultra stabilized video makes wind and motion disappear. Full coverage prop guards let you fly close, worry free. At 135 grams, Neo fits pocket. Registration free travel. Choose standard 3 battery, Fly More or Motion Fly More. Download DJI Fly app from DJI website to activate Neo. Now every hike, birthday, and quiet moment feels cinematic. If you need help, DJI official support is ready. Capture your family's story with Neo. Download, fly, share. Ever filmed a windy beach and your footage looks like potato? Shaky clips, lost signal, and battery drops mid-flip. Classic chaos. Meet my secret weapon. Holystone HS-700E 4K drone. 4K EIS camera. Makes shaky hands look cinematic, not tragic. 5G 8Hz FPV and on 30-degree FOV. Live view actually stays steady. GPS plus GLONASS dual-sat positioning. It remembers home better than you. Beginner? Altitude, altitude hold, and headless mode mean fewer embarrassing crashes. Brushless motors, quieter, tougher, and less oh no moments. Swap batteries fast, included carry case, instant outdoor readiness. Use Ophelia app for follow me and cinematic waypoints. 5G 8Hz, 500-meter FPV. Controller with foldable phone mount feels premium. Beach sunsets, mountain hikes, or backyard vlogs, everything looks epic. Perfect for beginners, creators, and outdoor maniacs who crave footage. And when it loses signal, it comes back. Like X's. Buy the HS700E, your phone's camera will file for unemployment. My entire shoot crashed. Batteries dead, ski suddenly went dark, crowd murmured, influencer's drone vanished behind city rooftops. I thought professional footage required heavy gear, endless setup. Then I met a compact drone under 249 grams. Meet the Potensic Atom 2 Fly More. Combo. Built-in 5.5-inch FHD touchscreen RC delivers instant control. Sony 1/2-inch sensor captures 8K photos, stunning 4K HDR. 3-axis gimbal keeps everything butter smooth, even in wind. AI track lock subjects. Spotlight, follow, parallel. No missed shots. Night shots, AI night shot makes darkness cinematic and clear. Vertical shooting and one-button framing nails perfect social content. Up to 96 minutes total flight. 3 batteries charge fast. PicSync 4.0 delivers 10km live feed, 1080p view, 0 lag, compact, foldable, shoulder carry case, travel-ready, registration-free freedom. I turned disaster into cinematic magic. Every shot sold stories. Get the Potensic Atom 2 now. Capture your world. Start creating.